Hi there, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today's word is attractive. This is an A2 level adjective that means pleasing or appealing to look at. Whether you're describing a person, a place, or even an idea, attractive is a great word to know. Let's start with the definition. When we say something is attractive, we mean it has a quality that makes it enjoyable or appealing to look at. For example, you might say, "The painting is very attractive with its bright colors," or "She has an attractive smile." Now, let's talk about some synonyms for attractive. These are words that have a similar meaning. Words like beautiful, charming, and appealing can often be used in place of attractive. For instance, instead of saying, "The house is very attractive," you could say, "The house is very beautiful." Or instead of, "His voice is attractive," you might say, "His voice is charming." On the other hand, we have antonyms, which are words with opposite meanings. For attractive, some antonyms include unappealing, ugly, and plain. For example, instead of saying, "The design is very attractive," you might say, "The design is quite unappealing." How about using attractive in everyday life? Imagine you're complimenting a friend on their outfit. You could say, "You look very attractive today." Or if you're talking about a place you visited, you might say, "Park was so attractive with all the flowers in bloom." This word can also describe ideas or offers. For example, "That's an attractive job offer," or "This city has many attractive features for tourists." Let's look at a few more sentences to see attractive in action. "The hotel lobby was decorated in an attractive style." He has an attractive personality that makes people feel comfortable. "The jewelry in the store window looked so attractive that I had to go inside." To wrap things up, attractive is a versatile word that you can use to describe people, places, things, or even ideas that are pleasing or appealing. Remember its synonyms like beautiful and charming, and its antonyms like unappealing and ugly, to expand your vocabulary even more. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Hello Word. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear how you would use the word attractive in a sentence, so drop your example in the comments. I'll see you next time.